Just here. What's your name, sir?
Derek.
Derek. And I've just been going and started chatting with me. And we've just been talking about really the path of righteousness and truth. And if you look at this street, even though the truth looks like it's huge, there's a big road, but ultimately, you see that thin line, that is the truth. If you're not on the truth, if you're not purity, if you're not aligned with the creator, with the source, like Derek has been explaining, then you're out of the picture in a sense. Like you're going in the wrong direction. It doesn't matter where you think you're going. If you're not on the right path, and there's only one path, it doesn't matter what these different religions and everything say. Ultimately, there is only one path that leads to the creator. And you gotta be on that path. There's only one truth. And as Derek has been saying, of course, Yahweh, Yeshua, Jesus Christ clearly showed that, saying that I am the way. And it's like if you're not embodying the right level of consciousness, the right level of awareness, and if you're not purified inside and outside, then the path does not reveal itself to you, because you must clearly first purify everything, your spirit, your soul, and then the path becomes evident. The path is never hidden from anybody. The path is always trying to guide us. There's only one path. There's only one Jesus Christ. There's only one being here. There's only one Muhammad. There's only one Buddha. There's only one Osiris. There's only one Amun-Ra. There's only one God, one Allah, one creator. And that creator always wants us to come back to the kingdom. Like I saw the picture of Solomon in the church today, and on one hand he had the kingdom, and it's kind of like Solomon symbolically saying, hey, there's only one kingdom and we're all a part of it. And if you want to get access to the kingdom within us, like Jesus Christ clearly said, purity is a must. Without purity, the kingdom does not allow you to enter it. And it's a state of being, it's a frequency, an eternal vibrationless frequency. And this gentleman, Derek here, probably is a chieftain, a tribe leader with a lot of wisdom. And we have been discussing like how in the world there's a lot of like so much happening that the path has been diluted with so much unnecessary shit, unnecessary garbage basically. Like we have here some garbage on the path. That is symbolic of like the path to spirituality, to God, to Allah. There's some rubbish on that appears there's some rubbish, right? So we gotta clean that up.
That's right, go clean it up.
Yeah, clean up the path. And as you're going, so the next person that comes after you, they have a much cleaner path. There is more clear truth. They're able to perceive their reality as it is without their own biases, without what they think reality is. It's like asking the universe to show us what the truth is. Because truth ultimately creates freedom, and freedom gives us the ability to know our own truth, our own purity, and ultimately the truth is unity. There is only one being. This whole universe is one unity, and that is like unity consciousness, awakening unity in all of us. And Derek has been riding his bike and he's been trying to focus on the line before, right? Because the path of the truth is just, the line is so thin. It's thinner than a hair. It's just a frequency and a vibration. But sometimes in the early stages when you're riding the bike, you know, it might sway off a little bit side to side. But that's why we have like the teachings of the original teachings of like Buddha, Muhammad, Yeshua, Amun-Ra in ancient Egypt, in ancient India, the yogis, Kriya Babaji, and so many saints and sages and basically divine manifestations that have been coming here and teaching us the way. So yeah, that is. You got anything to say, Derek?
We just got to look up and keep faith in God, because the way that life is going now, many people can be deceived by, you know, the works of the wicked, you know. So without the truth, you know, the wicked will increase. But God has required of us to repent and be saved. to identify the way through him, we shall have a better life by keeping his commandments and his righteousness. Yeah.
Indeed, absolutely. That is the way. I do hear a lot of people saying you must repent and really ask for forgiveness and everything, because if we don't forgive ourselves, if we don't ask for forgiveness, then we are holding this massive burden in ourselves, this massive weight, and that kind of drags so heavy that it slows our progress. And the moment we forgive ourselves and ask for forgiveness from the universe, from the absolute, it kinda, because it's so loving, it's so pure, it teaches you gradually, step by step, hey, I have already forgiven you. And the evidence and the proof, you just gotta look at Christ on the cross. That is the proof that we have all been forgiven. But that does not mean you still go and cause more harm saying, oh, Yeshua is gonna pay for it. No, we gotta keep going, there's a car behind us. It's like you gotta cross the junctions having faith. Because without faith, you get lost. You don't know if you gotta go left or right.
So where are you gonna send this film to now? Are you going to...
Oh, this goes on YouTube.
advertise it?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel called, I'll show you this, Self-Transcendence Mastery. So this will go there and then you can check it out, and yeah, just gonna keep it short really, because it's hot and couldn't take it, it was too hot. So I just had to, I just finished from the Manchester Glade of Light Crown Court case, and obviously the recorder, the main judge of Manchester, obviously saw the whole truth and saw the intention and everything was pure. So I've just got like a 2-year community order and some services I gotta do and all of that, which is really amazing. And yeah, outside the court, the press was there, and they asked me for a little interview, and I just shared the same message with the people of Manchester and also the families, saying that of course I'm really sorry and asked for forgiveness. But I also had to forgive myself throughout this whole process and ask for forgiveness from the Absolute, and had to purify myself and really use the experience as an opportunity to learn about the universe, about the humanity, about the challenges we're all going through, and at the same time figuring out solutions and services to give back and sharing their story. And moments like this happened with Derek, and we got to chat about it also. It's been really grateful. Any last things, Derek?
This is my turn off now,
Yeah. Oh, amazing.
I'll be doing it longer, but I've been grateful to meet you anyway.
Likewise, Derek. Yeah, I'm gonna end it and find it on YouTube. Bye bye.